everyone, welcome to Spiritual and Traditional Freedom Academy podcast. I am your host, Lady Archbishop Mwelase. Welcome to Ekhayeni Lembiliso, amaphupho ayafezekiswa, nelakho lizofezekiphupa. How do you know when you have idlozi, and how do you know when you have isithunywa? What is idlozi? What is isithunywa? Let's start here. Isithunywa is a spirit that ozalwe naso, spirit esinokukhuleka phakathi, spirit esinokunyanga phakathi ngokomoya wesonto, ispirit sokubona izinto ezingabonwayo ngabanye abantu but ezibonwayo ngabantu abanesiphiwo sesithunywa okanye mhlambe isiphiwo sedlozi. Idlozi nesithunywa zizinto ezingafani ezahlukene. Isithunywa ngumoya ohambiselana kakhulu nomoya wesonto. When you have isithunywa, you can pray using amanzi, you can pray using sunlight, you can pray using full moon, you can pray using a stick, the silver stick, you can pray using umlilo. You can pray during full moon days because when you have the spirit that can heal using imvelo, ungumntwana otheni okhethiwe ngabantu abadala kunye noNkulunkulu wakho, you are using umoya oyingcwele most of time. Let me talk also about idlozi. Idlozi, it's whereby you have umoya osebenza ngokwedlozi. Kunamadlozi ahlukene maningi. If you have the book ubizwa the calling, you will know how many amadlozi akhoyo ongawazi namanye engathanga ndawabalula ndafika kuwo. Nzawubala bembalwa njengoba besendenzile nasencwadini. Idlozi lomndiki, idlozi lomndawo, idlozi lamanono, idlozi lamakho, idlozi lamanzi, which is inzuza. You can have those kind of spirits empilweni yakho. When you're having umndawo, you can connect with so many spirits. When you are connecting with so many spirits, maungabe uyokwenza into, let me say idlozi lakho lomndawo likufuna emanzini uhambe uyokhuleka, you need to go there, but kodwa that doesn't mean that uzothi mawufika phayana ufike usebenze only about idlozi lomndawo. You will also embrace other spirits so that baphakame ama-spirit akuwe asemzimbeni nasemoyeni wakho, kwenzela uba into oyoyenza yenzeke ubuye nomuntu oyomsebenza ephilile. Zininzi indlela abantu abasebenza ngazo. Mna nami ndinendlela endisebenza ngazo, nawe unendlela osebenza ngazo. Ukuze indlela yakho osebenza ngayo iqine iphakame, nomoya wakho nendlela yakho nemisebenzi oyiphiweyo isebenze iqhubekeke, kumele uhlale uyokusikhuphula isithunywa sakho. You go to i-waterfall, you go to ulwandle, you go to empophomeni. Kuyashiyana ukuthi ngalolo suku you can't just go uyalinda abantu abadala ukuthi basho ukuthi hamba okwenza lokho. Kodwa mangabe ke nomoya wakho ke ungazange ube akunyanzekanga into ude ube uyayiphupha, na uyaziva ukuthi manje ayima ndikhumbula impophoma, let me go to empophomeni ndiyokhulekela okuthile, because uyakwazi ukulala uvuka uziva ba anamandla, amandla ndiyawazi ba ahlile, kanti ndihambe ndiyokhuphula amandla wami uhambe uyokwenza ngehlobo ufundiswe ngalo ngabantu abadala, ngoba abantu abadala bayakubonisa, bayakunikeza umsebenzi futhi bayakupasisa nasemsebenzini wakho wedlozi. Mase uwazi ke lama spirit ke unawo ukuthi okay, I have this kind of spirit, what must I do first? Firstly, you need to understand yourself and you need to understand the language of your ancestors. Mase understand the language of your ancestors, it's easy to do umsebenzi wedlozi. Uyahamba uphakame uye emanzini, kodwa emanzini awuyi ungakhange uzile. Mase uzilile, it's either you start 3 days, because inzila nayo ayikho easy, but you can start on 3 days uzibone ukuthi okay ndiyakwazi uzila, ndinawo amandla uzila, and then after uzilile you go to the water. Khona isikhathi lapho abantu abadala bazokunikeza khona ukuthi okay, we are giving you this time ukuthi uhambe uyohlala emanzini, usebenze emanzini, kwenzele ukuthi ubonakale wena ungabe uthwasa ntoni. Kuyahlukana, it's either uthwasa idlozi lomndawo, uthwasa idlozi lomsuthu, uthwasa ini, kodwa bayakuxelela ukuthi bafuna ntoni abantu abadala. So you need to be careful when it comes to your dreams. Mawungakwazi ukugcina amaphupha wakho, when you wake up, write down uzoyazi uba kwenzeka ntoni empilweni yakho, because you can't know when you're a spiritual gifted person, you need to know uba kwenzeka ntoni empilweni You can't just be blind nje ungazi uba kwenzeka ntoni. Any question endingayiphendula bendikhe nayibuza indaba yoba xa uboniswa iingubo ezithile nezithile wenza njani. You take isikhathi sakho uhambe uyothungisa izinto bese uyabuya mase uzithungisile izinto zakho uyaziphahlela. Ziyashiyana, ngezinye ziyaxhelelwa ezinye azixhelelwa cause zinemithetho yazo, zinamandla angafani, zine-spirit ezingafani. So you need to be strong on that. For today, I will only be talking about that. If you also have a question, you can write the question in the comment section, and then you can also visit our Instagram. It's Spiritual and Traditional Freedom Academy, also on Twitter and also on YouTube. We do have a page on a Google website here too. It is Spiritual and Traditional Freedom Academy.business.site. You can order what do you want to order, and you can come on WhatsApp 0710 477 309. I'm your lady, Archbishop Mwelase.